So the reason you may see me hesitating here, these pokeberries, if they get on you, they just stain the heck out of your clothes and everything else. Plus I got poison ivy back here. I'm trying to do my best with that, but yeah, so it's burr central back here. Oh, when I was a kid, our dogs growing up used to come back into these woods, and we had a long-haired lassie dog, and she would come in the house and be completely covered in these burrs. We'd sit there with a comb for hours picking burrs out of the dog. Oh, I got them all over me. Not too bad to get off the pants, but they get on your arm hair. Pull them out, kind of hurts. I mean, you know, it's not horrible. So you can see kind of some staining there. So this is the stuff that doesn't come out, man, right? So I'm just trying to be cool with this and chop it down and not have a bunch of berry juice on me. Right, keep hacking. Okay, so we'll bring it in for a closer view, maybe. Yes, no, maybe. Yes, no, maybe so. So here's kind of where we're at. Again, this is pokeberry weed, and it's extremely staining. There's lots of burrs and stuff back here that's going to get caught on your clothes, and it's always a fun time in the woods. These are the woods that I grew up in, so I know these like the back of my hand. We got a deer trail that runs back here by the lake. You can see the lake here. There's actually two lakes back there. I don't know if you can see the one back kind of behind, right back in there, but there's one back there. We get a lot of deer and turkeys. We got our fair share of foxes and groundhogs and everything. There's actually a farm way over here back across the lake, which they used to have a bunch of chickens over there, and they had some horses, but not so sure how much they have going on right now. They had a big party last weekend. I sat by the fire and listened to their music. Oh well. So that's it. And we're down here in this holler. There's a creek that runs back behind these weeds I'm chopping down. And we used to catch, you know, I caught snapping turtles out of this creek, and creek chub, and crayfish like crazy. And this is my childhood right here. I'm sharing my childhood with you right now. Isn't that amazing? Right here. These woods. This is it. All this. Mainly back in here. So we used to have four-wheeler trailers, dirt bike and four-wheeler trails back in here that we just went all over. And back down in here in the ravine area by the creek, we used to jump the creek on the on our dirt bikes and stuff. I used to have a three-wheeler, Kawasaki 110. I think it was an 85 or 86, something like that. All right. Wasn't real sure how successful I was going to be today with chopping these down. This is not a commercial, but Snow Nealey axes, the Hudson Bay Camp Axe. This is my favorite, one of my favorite tools. Oh yeah. Let's see how tall this is. Wow. See that? That's let's see how, look, that's so thick of a stalk. I can wrap my hand around it like a dirt bike handlebar. That's how thick that is. Look at that. This thing's absolutely huge. You know, it's way taller than me, and I'm about almost 6 foot. These things are just enormous. Man. There. Okay, so I gotta really get back in here. You can see back down in here behind the wood pile is pretty thick. So I'm actually probably gonna go put some long sleeves on, and we'll continue this and maybe have a part 2 of the giant pokeberry chop down at 2022. Sound good? Okay, meet you back here. Maybe.